ExAC Section 3 is not just a technical materials section. It covers two major areas: final project and sustainable design literacy. For final project, focus on how buildings are put together. That means materials, assemblies, envelope design, foundations, insulation, air barriers, vapor barriers, fire resistance, acoustics, and construction methods. Strong resources for this section include Ching's Building Construction Illustrated, Architectural Graphic Standards, the Architect's Studio Companion, and the Canadian Handbook of Practice for Architects. Also, make sure you practice diagram-based questions. Section 3 can test whether you understand assemblies, details, envelope conditions, material relationships, and construction sequences visually, not just through written descriptions. For sustainable design literacy, focus on how design decisions affect long-term performance. Study embodied carbon, operational carbon, resilience, climate-responsive design, occupant wellness, renewable systems, and green building rating systems like LEED. The best way to study Section 3 is through comparison. Compare wood, steel, concrete, and masonry. Compare envelope assemblies. Compare sustainable strategies. Section 3 is really testing judgment. Can you understand how buildings are assembled, and can you make smarter design decisions? Examitect helps ExAC candidates practice across all 4 sections with targeted questions, references, explanations, and exam-style practice designed to reinforce the official ExAC objectives.